Hey guys, here on a service call, not on this particular unit. I was just walking by, and after a while you start to learn and listen and hear different pitches. Fan's not running. Oh, I see why. Anybody could see that there. Right now we're blown out on internal relief, okay? There's a relief inside the compressor, keeps it from basically blowing up. Well, it's a safety, okay? This liquid line's probably hot as heck. Feel the heat coming out of this condenser. It's drying up real quick. It's hot, very hot. Ooh. Ah, Jesus. It's like nails on a chalkboard. If you could see in there, see them wires snipped off. This is a universal motor. This can be used in two different directions. I'm gonna have to give a call to my shop and put a work order in on this. This unit takes care of downstairs at this building. I know right where it goes, mechanical room. It's always something, guys. Always something, job security. Have a good day. Actually, I'm gonna see that thing's locked up. Yeah, motors. Oh, yeah, that thing's jammed up. I gotta get a new motor. Okay, guys, have a good one. Zip. Zip. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Put these on the wall there. I gotta get the info from the fan. Power off. Hopefully no bees come out. Hopefully. I don't see any bees. Yeah, thing's locked up. Yeah. There. Actually, the blade is free. Oh, the hub broke free. Huh. Wow, that's neat. The hub broke right off of that. That doesn't happen often. There's my model serial number I need to get from there. And you can see the steam coming off the compressor, but that thing's cooking. The only bad part about when a compressor gets over a certain temperature, I think it's 225, your oil will basically turn to an acid, and then the acid eats away the windings, creates a varnish, and just eventually it kills the compressor. Changed filter dryer, so. But this thing's up here in age. This is an R22 unit. I think this is original, if I'm not mistaken, in code 1995. I would buy that. Yeah, probably 1995 because I'm looking at the serial. ICP. ICP. All right. You guys have a good day. I got to order this up.